Today, we're going to be talking about a tool that can mark a serpentine walkway in 3 minutes. But first, before we get into that, I want to ask a simple question. You have a 100 linear foot walkway. You've gone through, you cut the one side of the walkway, you put your border piece in, you're ready to mark the other side. How long does it take you to mark that other side? Based off using a tape measure and making the marks down through, connecting it with the flex line, taking the block, setting it on the flex line, making your mark, and then going down through and cutting that. How long does it take to just do the marking part of that? I travel all around the US, talk to contractors. I ask this question, I typically get anywhere from a half hour to an hour. Some guys will be smart and say 5. I don't think that's possible because I've done it. It usually takes around that half hour time period, maybe a little bit faster, but just for simple math, let's say it does take a half hour to mark that. Utilizing the Quickie Tracer, you can mark the other side of that walkway 10 times faster. So it takes you a half hour to do it now, the way you're doing it. You can do it in 3 minutes by utilizing the simple tool. Now, what does that do for you? It saves you 27 minutes worth of your time. That 27 minutes can be put towards the next task, which is what we refer to as opportunity cost. So that 27 minutes you saved, you're now already cutting, you're already maybe putting in your border, and you might have already gotten to installing your HD hybrid edging. So that 27 minutes actually equates to 54 minutes worth of your time considering opportunity cost because you're already doing the next task and you're that much more efficient. 54 minutes, let's put this to dollars. For simple math, let's say it's an hour worth of time that you saved. Times that by your hourly rate that you bill out at, say it's 100, 80, whatever it might be. Put that number in. For simple math, again, that's $100 we save. $100 worth of your time that we saved you by utilizing a simple tool like the tracer. Take that $100, how many jobs do you do a year that you could utilize this on? Is it 5, 10, 20, whatever that is, multiply it by that. So say we do 4 jobs a year that you could use this on. That's $400. The Quickie Tracer is $350. $400 is what you saved. $350 of it you put back towards and you profited an additional $50. You might say, Caleb, that's really not much. But you all know as contractors, that hour worth of your time could have been the difference of whether you finished that job that day or had to come back the next day. Do you understand what it cost you to go back for that hour to go and do a specific task to maybe finish up a project? What does that time look like? That's maybe a half-hour drive out to the job site with a couple guys in a truck, not billable hours. That's, an hour worth of travel, an hour worth of the task is 2 hours of time spent, and typically they're not as productive because at the end of the day, they want to get home, they finish the job site, they get out of there, they get home. Whereas you go back the next day, they might drag it out a little bit longer, right? So all you guys know, as a contractor, anytime you have to go back to the job site for a simple task is money flying out the door. So again, it goes far beyond just the cost of the tool versus how much it's going to save you. It goes into what you can spend your time with. It might be the difference of whether you get home at 7 o'clock that night or you get home at 6 o'clock. It might be the difference of whether you profit that extra $100 every single time you use it. Whatever it might be, whatever makes sense to you. Ultimately, we want the best for you, for your team. We want efficiencies. With the use of tools and equipment, you can be more profitable, more effective, more efficient, with better results. We get comments all the time on videos like this of, I don't need that tool. I have a faster way of doing it. Might be so, but chances are you're falling behind. Contractors that invest in the tools and equipment far exceed those that don't. So if you want to get this tool, go to your local dealer. You can go to our dealer locator on our website, pavetool.com. Find that local dealer or click the link in the description below. And if you want to watch a video on 2 of our other most popular marking tools that can increase your efficiencies, watch the video on the screen. Thanks again.
You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.